This Pride March is actually very, very important because it promotes equality for gender. However, we have unconscious biases still to a certain group that are also oppressed, and they're actually the group of animals. So we're just here to give voices to this group of animals to fight for the right to live here on Earth. Because we're not only the living things who needs to share the beauty of this world. So we are here as vegan to fight for the animal rights.
One struggle, one fight!
The 2019 Pride March Philippines has just concluded. Though it was rainy, the movement marched forward. As of latest unofficial count, as many as 100,000 people have joined the march. TessDrive is here to share in the celebration of diversity, equality, and unity in the crusade against all forms of oppression, regardless of gender preference and species. We are also here to tag along with the Vegan Fairies of Manila, a special subgroup of the Manila Vegans. The Vegan Fairies of Manila is a group of vegans who identify themselves as belonging to the LGBTQIA+ community. These letters stand for lesbian, gay, bisexual, trans, queer, intersex, and asexual. The Vegan Fairies of Manila, as allies of the LGBTQIA+ community, aims to promote and fight for animal rights while proving that social justice issues should not be compartmentalized. They can coexist and even overlap. The group is against all forms of oppression where the LGBTQIA+ community, along with our fellow Earthlings, deserve to be treated with respect and dignity. According to the Vegan Fairies of Manila, animal rights is a social justice issue, and they believe that theirs is among the fastest growing social justice movements in history. Speciesism, or the discrimination against non-human entities, has been one of the oldest forms of injustices committed by humans. By eliminating speciesism, then the total abolition of racism, sexism, homophobia, and other forms of prejudice is also within reach.
We need to go vegan as urgent as possible kasi 52 billion land animals are killed every year, and we only have 9 years to reverse the effect of global warming.
We fight against speciesism. Speciesism is when we treat with inequality or discrimination other fellow living beings, either human or non-human. And that is when there is inequality.
Tayo ay lalaban titindig hanggang sa makuha natin ang ating inaasam na katarungan. Equal rights for all. Human liberation, animal liberation, go vegan!
Human freedom, animal rights! Happy Pride!